Welcome to the world of Fiverr, where your skills can become your business. Today, we're going to dive deep into creating a gig that stands out from the crowd. Let's learn how to craft a Fiverr gig that attracts clients and boosts your earnings. To start, let's break down the essential components of a successful Fiverr gig. We'll cover everything from a compelling title to engaging descriptions and the right pricing strategy. Keywords research and description. The first step to a successful gig is keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases potential clients will use to search for your services. Now if you have a Seller Plus account, then use Keywords Research tool. And if you don't have Seller Plus account, then use search bar and search for different keywords which comes into your mind and see the competition on those keywords.
For example, if you're offering graphic design services, you might search for keywords like logo design, brochure design, or social media graphics. The goal is to identify keywords that are popular but not overly competitive. Once you have your keywords, it's time to write a compelling gig description. The description should clearly communicate the value you offer and entice clients to hire you. Use your keywords naturally throughout the text. Here's a sample description. I'm a skilled graphic designer specializing in creating eye-catching logos and branding materials. With years of experience, I can help you establish a strong online presence. Let's discuss your project and create something amazing together. Remember to keep your description concise and focused on the benefits your clients will receive. A well-written description can make all the difference in attracting the right client. Crafting a catchy title. A strong title can grab potential clients' attention and make them want to learn more about your gig. Here are some tips for creating a compelling title. Keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve your visibility in search results. Clarity. Be clear and concise about the services you offer. Benefits. Highlight the benefits your clients will receive from hiring you. Call to action. Use action-oriented language to encourage clients to take the next step. For example, instead of graphic design, you could use create stunning logos that make your brand memorable. This title is more specific and emphasizes the benefits of your service. Experiment with different titles to find one that resonates with your target audience. Pricing strategy. Pricing is a crucial factor in determining your success on Fiverr. Here are some strategies to consider. Value-based pricing. Set your price based on the value you provide to your clients. Consider the time, effort, and expertise. Competitive pricing. Research your competitors' pricing to get a sense of the market rate. However, don't simply match the lowest price. Differentiate yourself based on quality and value. Tiered pricing. Offer different pricing tiers for varying levels of service or complexity. This can attract clients with different budgets and needs. Add-ons. Consider offering additional services or features at an extra cost. This can increase your revenue and provide more flexibility for clients. When setting your price, remember to factor in your costs, desired profit margin, and the perceived value of your services. Experiment with different pricing strategies to find what works best for you and your target audience. Addressing common questions. Addressing potential clients' questions upfront can help build trust and confidence in your services. Include a section of frequently asked questions, FAQs, in your gig to provide valuable information and answer common. Here are some examples of questions you might address. How long does it take to complete a project? What is your turnaround time? Do you offer revisions? Can you provide references or testimonials? What is your cancellation policy? By providing clear and concise answers to these questions, you can alleviate any doubts potential clients may have and increase your chances of landing gigs. Here are some examples of questions you might ask. What is the primary purpose of the project? Who is the target audience? Do you have any specific design preferences or style guidelines? Are there any deadlines or timelines to consider? By asking these questions, you can gain a better understanding of your client's needs and tailor your services accordingly. A clear and thorough requirements form will help you avoid misunderstandings and deliver a high-quality product. The power of images. Visuals play a crucial role in capturing attention and conveying your skills. High-quality images can make your gig stand out from the competition. When creating images for your gig, consider the following tips. Relevance. Ensure your images directly relate to the services you offer. Clarity. Use clear and well-lit images that are easy to see. Consistency. Maintain a consistent style and theme throughout your images. Professionalism. Use high-resolution imag. Attention to detail. While we've covered the essential components of a successful Fiverr gig, it's the attention to detail that can truly set you apart. Consider these additional factors. Professionalism. Maintain a professional demeanor in your communication and interactions with clients. Delivery. Deliver your work on time and within the agreed-upon budget. Communication. Keep your clients informed throughout the project and address. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service and go the extra mile to satisfy your clients. By paying attention to these details, you can build a strong reputation on Fiverr and attract repeat business. Remember, a successful gig is more than just a product. It's about providing a positive experience for your clients. Ready to create your own top-notch Fiverr gig? Start by applying the tips and strategies we've discussed today. With dedication and hard work, you can turn your skills into a thriving online business.